Traders, welcome back to another Relentless video. Guys, today we're going to be talking about leaving Amazon and being able to find success in the markets, making over $11,000 in my best month of trading so far this year. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a day for the little guys. Today is a day for victory. Today is a day for progress. Today is a day for excitement, for joy. Today is a day to set the tone. We got to set the tone out there for all of those who are looking forward to being something more, something a little bit more, something different, something unique. Who out there watching on is tired of the hamster wheel? Tired of this cycle of Monday to Friday, looking forward to 5 p.m., looking forward to the weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, with day trading, with the excitement, with the opportunity, we look forward to Monday morning. We cannot wait for Monday morning. Monday, fun day, bring it on. Let's go. Let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, today's video is going to be about financial freedom, freedom of time, opportunity, potential, and being more, coming out the matrix. Guys, I am proud to say that I left Amazon on April 11th, 2021, and since then it's been nothing but greatness. Coming into the year of 2022, we've been in a bear market, and so far I've had the best year of my trading career. And so far this year, I've had my best month of my trading career, doing over $11,000. Guys, this is an incredible feat. Back when I was working at Amazon, I did 10-hour shifts, 6 days a week. My best paycheck would be around $850. My best month would be around $2,800. Fully slaving. Craziness, madness, back-breaking work, blood, sweat, and tears, all to make Jeff Bezos a richer man, a wealthier man on this planet. And the day came and I said, you know what? No more. They wanted us to change shifts. They said, hey, for this particular facility, we want to reorganize. We want to do an overhaul. And we want you guys to get going. And so they gave us a couple of buildings throughout all the tri-state area that's far, far away. You're not thinking about where we're living in the commute. And so there's just so many people that just weren't able to do it. And I said, hey man, you know what? I'm gonna resign from this madness. I'm not gonna travel 2 hours to work a shift at 1 a.m., which they wanted us to do, some sort of mega cycle, they called it, 1 a.m. to 11 a.m., which is about a 10-12 hour shift, in some far, far facility. I said, no, man, that's it. There's no way I'm trading off the first hour of the open. There is no way that I'm doing it. We've been putting in 1 hour at the open every day and 1 hour at the end of the day to review our trades for a few years now. And it was the best decision to take the leap of faith to say, hey, we're gonna walk away from this fake smile that they have here. They'll tell you, hey, our number one priority is your safety. These people didn't care about no safety in there, man. This thing was slavery, back-breaking work. Back-breaking work, man, back-breaking work. 100,000 packages over those 10 hours must be processed. It must be done. Madness, ridiculous, underpaid like crazy, ridiculousness, didn't make sense. And so, as we mentioned in the beginning of this video, it's all about taking the leap of faith. And guys, based off of your situation, you can make the educated decision. I did work at Amazon as mentioned, but also traded. And I left when the timing was perfect. When I left, I felt confident that I could do this full time and not have to worry about, being a struggling trader. At the time, my metrics were already backing me up. I was already seeing consistency. So now that we've left and have been able to do our best month ever, even in a bear market, it speaks volume to the amount that we've progressed, the amount that we've improved, and the amount that we've grown since leaving that company. And there's so much more to come. There is so much more to come when it comes down to trading, guys. There will be months better than 11,000. There will be months better than 11,000 by far. I'm proud to say that even now, because I see the potential every day. The opportunities are there. The opportunities are there every day. It's all only a matter of hard work, working smart, putting in the time, studying, continuing to get better, learning from the peers, So guys, let's continue to strive for our greatness, and let's not ever stop dreaming. Let's never stop dreaming. Let's always remember that there can be something a little more. There can be something a little bit more. And this is for all the people who, are big dreamers, people who want something different. Trading is an option, guys. This is something that is there, and it can be utilized. And it's a vehicle that can take you to new heights. And so I'm looking forward to continuing this journey. We'll make another update video again. My last video, I'll put it up here. I was talking about leaving Amazon and, financial freedom. So we're one step closer. We're going to keep working. And boy, do we have some big things planned. Guys, Relentless Trading to the moon. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're watching to this point, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, no slacking. Guys, check out the Discord. We have a beautiful community growing. We got beginner traders, intermediate traders, advanced traders. We're all growing together, learning every day, slow and steady. Leaving Amazon, leaving the UPS, leaving that retail store, that fast food joint. These are things that we can do over time if we work towards building betterment, building a business, doing something for ourselves. So, who's with me? Let me know in the comments down below. Who is with me? This video is for sheer motivation and inspiration. Who is with me? Let me know down below, guys. Let me know down below. It's been Relentless Trader, and we're going to keep pushing. I am, of course, signing out.